The Honorable Chief Minister of Delhi, Shri Arvind Kejriwal, made some very important and significant announcements yesterday in order to cater to those who have suffered the most in the COVID pandemic. These announcements reflect that the Chief Minister of Delhi truly thinks about those who are at the bottom of the pyramid. The policies of his government reflect the care that he has in his heart for the last person standing in the queue. He made 4 significant announcements. Number 1, every person who has died due to COVID in this COVID wave, their family members will get a compensation of 50,000 rupees. Second, if kids below the age of 18 have lost both their parents and have essentially become orphans due to COVID, the government of Delhi, the Kejriwal government, will provide free education to them up to the age of 25 and also give them 2,500 rupees of monthly pension in order to sustain their lives. Third, if a breadwinner, that is a person who was the person responsible for putting bread for its family on the table, who was the principal breadwinner for his or her family, if that person has died due to COVID, 2,500 rupees to his family will be given every month in order to foot their bills, foot their expenses. And lastly, all those who are ration card holders in Delhi will get 10 kgs of ration this very month absolutely free of cost. Those who have lost their lives or their loved ones, their sorrows, their grief certainly cannot be reduced. However, the government of Delhi, the Kejriwal government, is trying its very best to financially assist these bereaved families and help them in their hour of grief. I urge that the government of Goa, the Pramod Sawant government, also takes a leaf out of the Kejriwal model of governance and announces and implements all these steps in Goa. I demand that all these 4 big announcements made by Mr. Kejriwal in Delhi should also be made in Goa by the Chief Minister of Goa for the people of Goa. I hope he will consider my demand and will certainly announce these 4 measures for Goans. Thank you so much.